with Michelle, nurse, and him the Wednesday. Him stop over at me while me and she got church. After church, I come in. Let me tell you the story again because you know fast. After service, I come in. But my spirit did done a rumble already. Because the Lord has said time for him to go. And me I try disobey God. Now in my house, and me buy grocery, and me buy everything put inside here. You understand me? I'll roll on for him. You get what me I say? And me buy all of that. So moving right along. Me know I buy Grace ketchup because I eat Grace ketchup with food. So I buy a glass bottle of Grace ketchup and have it. Me cook. Every night when me done, every day when me done cook. In the night now, I must go cook sausage and rice. All when me steam fish. All when me look for curry goat, I still I must stick to him religion. Sausage and rice in the night. Now you know you have some people around you, them nyam you out and them call it nyam out. Them say them a nyam you down. You know, when them not have them yard, them never get in a lifetime. They will try to take it from you. So me understand that. Yeah, roll on down to roll on. Yeah. So I understand that. And you see for such, me always have to buy francs. Like a pack of francs. Every single week religiously me buy a pack of francs. You understand me? So anyways now, I come in from church the Wednesday night, from Bible study, and I say, me I go eat that, must want vinaigrette. And I say, alright. Me I look for the Grace ketchup I can't find. So I say, mother's got the Grace ketchup there. Me don't know. Attitude, you know. So I say, oh you mean you don't know? Kid, me don't know where they use it, no you this, no you that. So I say, okay. I say, no, but I me buy it, so I must know what we do with it. And me not cook with Grace ketchup, but him never knows, so I not cook with Grace ketchup. Come I rather buy cans to cook with and eat Grace. So I say, oh you mean, I say, I'm not an idiot and don't take me for an idiot. I'm not an idiot. So I say, nevertheless, yeah, I just come from church. So, you know, I say, you know what I go do? Watch me and you. But I'm talking about buying back the same thing and catching him again. Can remember every night him cook. So I say sausage and rice can't cook without, you can't cook sausage and rice without ketchup. Me don't know what kind of nutrients in a francs. Me don't know. At that me don't know Jet Li, Bass Joanna. Yes, so I did there, I say, alright, watch me here, me I walk come away. Me I walk come away, you know, me I walk come away. I say, alright, watch me here. With attitude, watch me and you. Watch me and you. So I say, no big crutches, no have no hole, no have nowhere to live, no have no food, no have nothing to eat. No so could lick out body, nyam shit girl with them father eat from them drop out of them mother with a bad hole. Now go in my house and talk to me anyhow. You understand me? I say, man, I tear off your stinking face in this. So same time him on the phone with him mother. So him say, mommy, you have $1,000 can't leave me. So she say, I want. No, I just want $1,000, let me $1,000. And him gingerly pack. And when him a pack, I say, Jesus Christ, this is it. Father God, you know for mash up things, eh? You know for mash up things. You know for mash up things. Yeah, and when him gone now, remember so we kick off for that, you know, when him gone now, the next day now him call me. Because the night when him go away, him said to Zanyu, say, Zanyu, you can't follow me, go up at the gully. Up at New Kingston. So Zanyu said, girl, no. You know, no girl, me not depend that. Anyways, the next day now, him did and him a try tell Zanyu one bag of negativity about me. One bag of negative things him a tell Zanyu from the night before to the morning to the next day. So when him don't tell Zanyu, Zanyu say, Mudfish, keep do a lot for us. Keep do a lot for us. So you never have to call the boy and go on so. So anyway, I don't know how him and Zanyu work it out, but him call me the evening. Bestie, yeah, I just need to breeze off, you know, I just need to breeze off for a little. I'm coming home. Politely, I message him and say, mothers, you don't have a home here. You understand me? So all of that, like him for 6, them I go Franklin town now when I see him. And I say, well, we have off camera, let it stay off camera. That's what me say to myself, because I don't care about a girl. So anyways, he did still talk to me and so you know, I give him the phone, because I never want the internet know, say, move out and blah, blah, and re and t. You understand me for them talk anything. However now, come here, run down in the argument, a little bit and fast. However now, me and Kaya no depend terms about 2 years straight, my park she, I just iron by. I said to she now never do nothing. More than one time she slung over the yard. The same day when theme dog bite her. She slung over the yard. And his mother said to him, say, Mommy, because she just come from work, he said, Mommy, I can't get some of your dinner. Because he not eat nothing from there. Yeah. So they eat nothing from there. So he said, Mommy, I can't get some of your dinner. So like she said, I have no dinner. So he said, I like the man cook fish. Because you know, the little show what I start knowing, the little shades they might throw now, you know. If he knows him, if he make me know he might eat better now I'm yard. No. So I did it. So the mother say, oh, and she go look, so she say, what you want, the head or the tail? So when she said, we want the head or the tail, I say, right tail. So when me da my yard and for me, when me cook lunch, a 4 fish me cook. 4 fish, sometimes when we eat lunch, we can't eat dinner. You know, so me say, right tail, him gonna coin, you know. Him gonna coins, you know. So me say, him gonna coins. So anyways, now him did it. And he might explain to Kane. I say, Kane, let me tell you, keep don't know how to talk to people. So I say, how may I ever speak to you outside of the job? Him can't answer. Kayan, me not gonna tell a lie. One time in a life, Keith they tell me, say, we're not gonna be friends forever. So I say, yeah, I said it, and it's a prophecy. So how does that affect you? I say, move on. You understand me? Kayan, you know me not like with him. When time him there in the yard, and him attack where him a go buy, but him a go buy him own a house, him not say him a go buy our house, him say him a go buy him own a car, him not say him a go buy our car. Kayan, me not like them something there. So Kayan not say nothing in the argument, you know. And Kayan depend no mudfish, but if you have a problem, if you talk up, I may wonder which part Kayan are going to the argument. Because if this is a good reasoning, how him can tell her them something and she say if you have a problem, talk up. How talk up come before correction? Or motivation come before correction? Me not understand. And that me I say to myself, you know, me don't know how motivation come before correction. So anyways, me not pay no mind because I know say this is it, Michael Jackson, this is it. Because me never know say I saw them dance until we drop in a case like this where we have to try to explain something to them and them not get it. So me never know say I saw them dance. Kayan dance real bad now. So anyways, Kayan depend, hey, you talk up doing a mudfish, you talk up doing a... It's school have. Eh? Lady Cheryl, if me ever for talk, that's why when them mudfish come and talk about mind your mother, mudfish mother furniture, them look like say a picnic where you used to go basic school have them. Have them children used to go, you want to see how, like how hot water them use and wipe them down. I true me never want to show in the house because when him say in they clean it dirty. In they clean it dirty like a outer door them live. Me not ask, you cannot curious sweep up yard it dirty. That's why I tell you say I could have never do it to him. And him sheet them on him bed loose color. All of them lose color. One thing I lie me I tell. Remember so when him live in this way, the stepfather each up one side of shit, a bus shit, and him up on the next side asleep. Remember, and him think it hard to get up and clean the man. Him sleep through the shit. A fly wake him up and tell him says evening now is evening. Fly. The fly them wake him up and say, may I clock out. Your turn.